Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're finally doing a hair dyeing video. If you didn't catch my last video, I explained that I wasn't really doing anything too different to my hair for a while because I had two vacations where they were beach vacations, and so with the ocean water, the pool water, the sun washing my hair like every day, my colors were fading fast. So I didn't want to do anything too exciting and then just have it all wash away. But now that I have gone on my vacations, I don't really plan on doing that again anytime soon. We're finally gonna do something fun. Also, if I sound a little weird, I did get sick right after I got back, and I'm a lot better, but I feel like I still sound a little strange. So, I have these three colors from oVertone. It's their Pastel Pink, Pastel Purple, and Pastel Blue. And I have tried each one of these individually. But today, we're gonna try to come up with some kind of cool mixture of the three. I'm not too sure yet what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out. Also, I have freshly bleached roots. They're a little bit yellow. Basically, not this last time that I did my roots, but the time before, I had a little bit of breakage right on top because I just guess wasn't careful enough and I overlapped the bleach a little bit on a part that was already bleached. I can't find it right now, but there's like this one little piece. I think it's like this. I don't know. That's like a bit short. So this time around, to be extra careful, I went back to doing my roots the way I used to do it. And that's basically to do it in two parts, where like I'll do it like up to here first, and then wash that when, you know, the time is up, and then I do the top part separately. That way, like by the time I get here, this part isn't already, you know, needing to be washed, and it's like a whole thing, because I'm really slow. So that's what I did, but I think with me trying to be so careful, I actually didn't leave it long enough, so it's a little yellow, but I'd rather have yellow roots than to have my hair break off, so I'm fine with it. We could maybe go a little bit darker here on the roots and then have it go lighter. And I also slept with my hair wet, so that's why it's a little crazy right now, but that's fine, because we're about to dye it. All right, we're in my guest bathroom today. I hope the lighting is okay. Maybe a little yellow, I don't know. But okay, let me walk you through kind of what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking maybe I do the purple kind of like all over the roots, like kind of that have that be like our base. And then in different parts, I'm like kind of do a color melt, like either with pink or blue, depending on where it is. I'm thinking pink around my face just because I feel like pink and purple look better against like my skin. But I do like blue, but I just feel like it, I don't know, I think because my skin's like very warm. But then we do some where it's like purple to blue, and then like purple to pink, and then maybe even like it ends in a different color. I don't know. I'm just gonna kind of have fun with it and see what happens. That's kind of how all my videos go. I never really know what I'm doing. So the great thing about all of these already being pastel is that I don't have to do any mixtures like with conditioner or anything. So I'm gonna use these as my little tubs. I'm not even gonna pour them into anything. So here we have the beautiful pink, kind of my go-to pink, honestly. It's such a beautiful pink. So there's that. Then we have the purple. See, I feel like the purple is the darkest one. That's why I think it'll be good on the roots. And last but not least, we have the blue. So here are three colors. I'm so excited. These are like my three favorite colors to use. So putting them all together makes me very happy. I guess I'll still section my hair like I normally do, or else I feel like everything's gonna get really crazy and mixed up. Because that's the problem with doing a lot of colors. You have to make sure that the colors aren't like transferring over to parts that you don't want them on. All right, I section my hair. I'm gonna start where I usually start, which is down here. That's good because this will be like our testing area, because if things don't look too good, at least it's on the bottom. And then I'll pin this and we'll bring down piece by piece. I'm gonna try to do this as much as I can with a brush. I usually use my hands because I just think it's easier, but if I touch one color and then my gloves are dirty and then I touch another color, it's gonna be difficult. So I think I'll just use like multiple brushes, like one for each. All right, let's do this. Go right on the roots. I guess the good thing about this being like a whole mixture of colors is that like if I get it somewhere that I don't mean to get it, I mean it's not that big of a deal. We just make that part the color that I accidentally got on it. I think I need to bring it down a bit so we can actually get a good chunk of purple. What shall we go for at the bottom? Pink or blue? Kind of feeling blue. Color number 2. Here. I think I'm gonna do the little tip pink to all 3 colors. On to color number 3. I need to put on some gloves. Just mix that in. To get a nice transition, let's do a little bit of this here and here. I don't know if I got a good amount of blue. I think that's fine. Alright, okay. Strands number 1 done. Just like a million more to go. I always find that like I start off really slow when I'm doing multiple colors just because I'm like trying to figure out how to go about it. But then once I get the hang of it, it goes a bit faster. So I think I still am going to always continue with the purple at the top. But I might change the order of the colors on the bottom. And not all of them will have all 3 colors. I think for the most part, actually, I want to do just 2. Maybe? I don't know. Sorry if you guys can't really see this very well. It's just that I need to look in the mirror. I can't just do this. So you guys can see. Hopefully you can see a little bit in there. But also, once I get to this front part, I think you guys will be able to see it better. I think some pieces I'll even bring like the purple completely down. Right, glove time. Just gonna go in with some pink like this. Blend them together. Oh, purple and pink look so pretty together. I just love that color combination. Alright, we got that one. Maybe I have left glove for blue, right, or for pink, and right glove for blue. Because I kind of do like using my hands, especially when it comes to like blending the colors together. Now we do this. We got the purple going to the blue. Now what? Alright, I've made it to this front top part, which I feel like is the most important part. So I have to be very careful with where I place colors, because obviously that's what's going to be like right around my face. Oh, my hair's curly now. I know for sure I want this front piece to go from purple to pink. And then here we have purple to blue. Let me see. Maybe we do blue here. Oh, I feel like I didn't plan this out right. I'm just gonna do all of the roots and then I'll figure the rest out. Almost there. Need to finish the other side. This is taking so much longer than how long it usually takes to dye my hair. I usually take like, I don't know, like 15 minutes. Finally, the last piece. I really hope this looks good. It might all just mush together and look weird, but I think it'll be nice. Maybe not like exactly how I envisioned it. I think it'll still look cool. Alright, I think I am done. I look kind of crazy. Oh, these started to kind of touch each other. It's not good. Alright, I'm gonna leave this on for about like, I don't know, like 30 minutes at least. and then I'll wash it out, and we'll see if this turned out good. Well, here's how it turned out. What do you guys think? I also took some shots of my hair straight before I curled it because I think it looked cool like that too, but I really wanted to see it like with the waves because I felt like then you'd really be able to see the colors. So here are my thoughts. I feel like the blue could have been a little bit brighter. I don't know why. I feel like it didn't take as much as the other colors. And then especially up here, the purple is like pretty vibrant. So I feel like the blue and pink are almost like the same type of pastel. This may be a little too vibrant. Of course, as I wash it, it'll fade a bit, but then so will the blue. So maybe I'll reapply the blue as it fades. I don't know, we'll see. But overall, I think it looks really cool. Like you can see like the blue in there, you see some pink. Especially like for my first attempt at doing something like this. Like I've done color melts before, but it's usually like either only 2 colors or I did these 3 colors one time, but I did it like purple to pink to blue. So I feel like that's a bit easier. Trying to get everything like mixed in was definitely a challenge, but I think I learned a lot. I feel like if I cut off the top of my head where the purple is more vibrant and we just look here, then all the colors are kind of around the same lightness. And I think it looks really cool. Maybe I'll try to wash just here a little bit to get it to be a little bit more like the rest. Can't wait to do some like hairstyles. I feel like depending on how I like pull up my hair, you're gonna get like different variations. So let me know what you guys think. Also, if you have other like color combinations that you want me to try, then let me know. Although I will say these are like my favorite colors, so I don't know if I would go for like, I don't know, greens and orange and whatever. I feel like it's just not very me. These colors, very, very me. But I'm just excited to have tried something new. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!